Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So brutal attack by bulls. So bulls was able to take the bank nifty from 34,700 to 35,000, 36,200. So it was very much of a bull ride, and as we have been telling that FII all these days FIIs have been selling, and suddenly they started buying, and when they started buying we were shorting the market. So I was joking in previous video, whenever I go short in bank nifty or nifty, market is used to go up, and whenever we are long in nifty or bank nifty, market used to come down, and that is what has happened yesterday. Last 2 days the problem bank nifty has given to me is something really terrible. I cannot bear the stress, the amount of emotional problem which the market gave for last 2 days is something really terrible. So that is the amount of stress and the problem which was given by bank nifty. You imagine you are from 34,700 it is going to 36,200, almost 1,500 600 points move in 2 or 3 trading session, and how do you expect to manage? And in fact, I had 35,500 call option return when the market was, when Bank Nifty was at 34,700, and it has come to 36,200. 200 or 250, that range it has come. So that is the amount of movement Bank Nifty has made. So, as I told you, it has been creating big problems, and I was really frustrated yesterday. So that I was not able to, my mood was completely off, so I was not able to post any videos. So anyway, we have done something, and I thought we will show this to you so that you get an idea what is option trading. And let me tell you, people say that cigarette smoking is injurious to health. I am telling option trading is injurious to your health, wealth, and everything. That is the amount of caliber you need to be in the market. This is why 90% of the people are struggling to make money in the stock market. Stock market is not a joke, it is a serious stuff, and things can change no matter whether you are an expert, no matter whether you know everything, no matter what analysis you do, it will prove you are wrong. Stock market will prove whatever you do, it will prove that you are wrong. That is what has happened to me exactly, and I am an example that this how things can go wrong. So what has happened here is 35,500 call option I have shorted in Bank Nifty on August 2nd, I think. Yeah, on August 2nd, when the market was at 34,700. Suddenly it shooted up. So on that day itself, it came to 35,300 or 400, and suddenly what I did some adjustment. So when we say adjustment, what does adjustment mean? Say for example, I am selling a 35,000 naked call, and I am collecting a premium of 200 rupees. So my break even point is 35,200, right? I am not doing a straddle, I am not doing a strangle, I am not doing a ratio spread, I am not doing any other strategies. I am just selling a naked call option, and as you may know, selling naked call option is a bit expensive. But why do we sell naked call option? Because you get more money, right? You don't hedge any position. You, of course, you are going to pay some premium, pay some extra margin money, but you are getting good amount of premium. In case the market is correct, in case your view is right, you are going to make good money in naked call option. But I wouldn't suggest you to sell naked call option, because it is one of the most dangerous strategies, and I can tell you why. You will know in this video. So what has happened? Market is Bank Nifty is at 34,700, and I am selling 35,000 call option, naked call option. Market is shooting up. Markets FIA started buying, and what will happen? Bank Nifty is moving. It is crossed 35,000. 35,000. Now I do a adjustment. Now when I say adjustment, what is an adjustment? When we say adjustment, adjustment means extending the range. As I told you, if I had sold at 35,000 call option with a premium of and collecting a premium of 200 rupees, my break even point is at 35,200. So beyond that, I am going to be in trouble. Now I have extended the range from 35,000 to 35,500, or say, let's say not 35, 35,700. Now you know we are doing trading. This naked call option was done on weekly options. Now market has shooted up. Now FIA started buying, HDFC started moving. HDFC all these days after the result came, it came down. Then HDFC started moving. And whenever the FIA started buying, they go and buy in HDFC or Reliance or large cap companies only, right? So HDFC started moving. HDFC started moving means Bank Nifty will obviously keep moving on the upside. Now, market from 34,700, my call is at 35,000, market has reached 35,700. Now my extended range is still 34,700 to 35,500 or 600, tentatively I am saying. So market has shooted up and it is moving beyond 35,700. At that time, yesterday, not day before yesterday, when I posted the video, I told my naked call was in trouble, so I did some adjustment. So it is in a loss of around 24,000, 2,400 rupees something, right? If you want, you can go and watch that video. Now it is in the trouble. That's what I am saying. When we tell adjustment, adjustment means extending the range on both sides. If the market is going on the upside, I do adjustment on the upside, and if the market is going down, we extend the range on the downside. Since the market is going on the upside, we have extended the range to a range on the upper side. Now market is shooting, right? Now on the second day, market has shooted to 36,200. From 34,700, it has gone to 36,200. Now I am in big trouble. Day before yesterday, I did some adjustment, and the extension, the range was extended from 35,200 to 35,700. I am having a 35,000 call. Now what you do? Market has gone to 36,200. I had to, I'll show you. I had to book a loss of 70,000. Yeah, 70,000, around 72,000, including brokerages. 1,800 rupees brokerage and other charges I have paid, and total amount 72,000. I had to book losses, and still I was not out. There was major chunk of my trade was still alive, and I had to stay in the market and make sure this loss doesn't accentuate. I sold 35,000 call option for 125 rupees, 100 lots. If my view was right, I would book a profit of just 12,500 rupees. Since my loss was, my view was wrong, that 125 rupees call option has gone to 1,000 rupees. You imagine the amount of losses I would have incurred, more than 1.10 or 1.20 lakhs. This is excluding my Nifty position. I was bearish in Nifty also, but not bearish. I had a neutral position in Nifty, so I have to do some adjustment in that trade also. So Nifty was not a problem. The major problem was from Bank Nifty, right? So now what I have to do? I did some adjustment. I accepted the losses yesterday. Accepted a loss of around 72,000 yesterday, and did some adjustment and waited for the expiry. And you know, weekly, since we are dealing in weekly options are premiums are very less. And yesterday I think this India VIX was also down by around 3 or 4%. That also eroded the premium, so it was a very tough adjustment. Now I extended the range from 35,700 to 36,400 or 500. Now today morning what has happened is it gapped up, Nifty gapped up, but it started moving on the downside. It touched almost 35,700. You imagine my situation, the amount of stress Bank Nifty had given to me in this scenario. But luckily, what we were able to do is, This is my sensible position, and I hope you can see this 18 positions which I have closed today due to expiry. So the total profit in today's position is around 44,439. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is my position, 18 position. Today I squared off 18 position with a profit of around 45,000 tentatively, right? So we booked a loss of 71,000 yesterday and we booked a profit of 45,000 today. So total profit loss comes to 26,000. Had the Nifty, Bank Nifty broken 35,700 today on the downside, I would have been in a loss of more than 1.5 lakhs or more, including my Nifty position. So this is how things work here. The message what I am trying to say is, if you are an amateur trader or if you are even an intermediate trader, be careful with the market. Market doesn't care who you are or what analysis you do or whatever tips you get from anybody or any channel. Nothing is going to help you. Market is market. Market can move in any direction. It doesn't care what you do, right? That is what I am trying to say here. So anyway, we were able to manage the losses, bring down the losses to around 26,000, and still we have 3 more weeks. Let's see how things pan out. And this video is not about the market update, but I am telling you, be careful, trade with the hedged position, so that in case any big black swan events or big movement occurs, you can exit the market without any big loss or minimal profit, right? So always remember, hedge your positions carefully and trade carefully. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.